Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lutfi Aulia from the Science Program, Science Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Pancasakti University, Tegal. Today, I would like to present my research entitled The Effectiveness of Integrating Augmented Reality Flashcard into Problem-Based Learning to Improve Junior High School Student Science Learning Outcome. Let's begin with the background. There are several problems in science learning. First, the integration of digital technology is still limited. Second, learning is still teacher-centered. Third, student learning outcomes are still low. In addition, ecology is an abstract topic, so it is difficult for students to understand. Therefore, this study integrates augmented reality flashcard into problem-based learning model to improve student learning outcome. Research gap and novelty. For brief research gap and novelty. Previous study report the augmented reality improve learning quality. Other studies also found that problem-based learning improve student learning outcome. However, only a few studies have integrated augmented reality flashcard into every stage of the problem-based learning model. Therefore, the novelty of this study integrating augmented reality flashcard into all stages of problem-based learning in teaching ecology. Research method. This study used a quasi-experimental research design with a non-equivalent control group design. The participants consist of 64 students. There were 32 students in the experimental class and 32 students in the control class. The instruments were pretest, post-test, and documentation. The data were analyzed using descriptive statistics, the Shapiro-Wilk test, the Lefevre test, and N-CAN analysis. Descriptive result. This slide shows the descriptive result. The experimental class had a pretest mean score of 57.4 and post-test mean score of 85.63. The control class had a pretest mean score of 56.25 and a post-test mean score of 79.84. This result show the both class improved after learning. However, the experimental class showed higher improvement than the control class. N-CAN result. This slide presents the N-CAN result. The experimental class obtained an N-CAN score of 66.77%, which is categorized as moderately effective. Meanwhile, the control class obtained 54.38%, which is categorized as less effective. Therefore, integrating augmented reality flashcard with the problem-based learning model was more effective than using the problem-based learning model without our augmented reality flashcard. Learning mastery. This slide shows the learning mastery result. The experimental class achieved 81.25% learning mastery. Meanwhile, the control class achieved 65.63%. Therefore, more students in the experimental class achieved the minimum learning mastery criteria. Discussion. Based on the result, the experimental class performed better than the control class. This happened because augmented reality flashcard helped students visualize ecology concept in 3 dimensions. At the same time, the problem-based learning model encouraged students to discuss, investigate, and solve problem activity. As a result, students understand the material better and achieve higher learning outcomes. Conclu- Conclusion. In conclusion, integrating augmented reality flashcard into the problem-based learning model effectively improves student science learning outcome. The experimental class achieved higher process score, higher and gain score, and higher learning mastery than the control class. Therefore, augmented reality flashcard can be used as an effective learning medium for teaching ecology and environmental conservation. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.